All you'll need is a Phillips screwdriver. Firstly, eliminate all power and turn the washing machine off at the wall. We'll need to access the inside, so remove the screws holding the lid in place and then lift the lid off. Remove the screw on the back of the washing machine holding your valve in place. Now remove the screws holding down the control panel fascia. We need to do this so we can move the dispenser assembly forward in order to remove the valve in a minute. Remove the 2 screws on top of the water valve. To unclip the wire connections from the valve itself, gently pull the tabs back and then remove the wiring connectors. To remove the control panel fascia, there are 2 clips on the inside of the washing machine. One is easy to spot, but the other is hidden beneath the dispenser drawer as shown. Unclip both of these and you'll be able to lift and pull the control panel fascia away from the washing machine. You can then pull the valve down and away from the dispenser drawer. To make the installation a little easier, unscrew the metal piece running across the top of the washing machine. Now install the new valve as shown and thread it back through the outside of the washing machine. Reconnect the wiring. They're colour coded, so the white wire in the white connector and the blue wire in the blue connector. Then re-screw the 2 screws from the top metal piece. Make sure everything is securely in place and you can then refit the fascia control panel back to the washing machine along with the screws on either side. Re-screw the 2 screws that hold the water valve and dispenser assembly together and also the screw on the back of the washing machine holding in place the valve. Finally, pop your washing machine lid back on and re-screw the 2 screws in. Your new washing machine water valve is all set to go.